Welcome back everybody. Here she is. So as you can see, I didn't waste any time with the Can-Am X3 custom painted. Just a pure beauty out here in the sun. A true red. So, you know, wanted something just a little bit different. So I know Can-Am does come with this Can-Am red, but to me that's more of like an orange. So this one is actually automotive red, like a true red. So just some updates here. As you can see, we did get a roof. We did get these mirrors here. These are Chupacabra, if I'm saying that right, mirrors. I'm not a huge fan of them. I just don't really care for how they look once you get them on there, and I won't be to put my windshield on there with this big old you know, piece here that kind of just intrudes the whole roll cage here. So I'm gonna actually switch those to the seismic over there. I'll show you guys those in a second, but yeah, this is it, guys. A little bit of badging. So Project Code Red is a brewing. So super excited. So once again, we got the roof on here. We got the full doors. These are the Kimimoto doors, which are as close to OEM as you're gonna get, which they're pretty much like OEM, but you know, definitely wanted some extra protection from the you know, extra little rocks or whatever it likes to come in. In the rear, we got a little bit of smoked out tail lights here. I didn't go too dark. You know, you still can see a little bit of red, but those look real good here. These, I don't know if you guys remember in the last video, I am actually gonna get these trailing arms painted gloss black. So that's the only thing left on the buggy that is still tan. So the actual springs here were tan, so those got coated, and that's gonna get coated as well, just so you know you don't have to, just it looks just weird being that color and just doesn't go. So that'll be black soon. All right, so we're gonna move over here. So we're she's getting some new tires, guys, and wheels. So tires aren't here right now, but we do have the System 3 SB5s. These are 15-inch bead locks. Those are going on. So getting rid of the 14-inch cast aluminum, the stock wheels, and getting those there. Okay, so we got some more goodies here. We got the EVP charge tubes, blow off valve, you know, get a little bit of, just, you know, make it sound a little sweeter, you know. And those are actually the seismic mirrors there. So really cool. All right, guys, these look better, and I do have the little red inserts that go right there, so they kind of go in there and then somewhere else. I don't remember exactly where, but really cool there. And there's the windshield, Super ATV windshield. If you guys haven't seen one, check it out. It does have the manual wiper, so yeah, it's gonna be really cool. So, you know, a little extra protection when you're going through those puddles, and you know, if you don't always want a whole bunch of wind to your face. And you do have the vents in them as well, so really cool. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a really cool build. So once again, this is Project Code Red, and yeah, so you guys want to check it out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You want to see a little bit more that's gonna happen to it, some more build. Gonna get some rides in soon here. Just want to get a few more things build up. And yeah, so once again, guys, check it out, don't miss it. Okay, see you later.